Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to pause your LR Fitness membership. First step you're gonna do is uh, go to Google and you're going to type LR Fitness. You will move forward with all the necessary steps for the cancellation, which will show up. Okay, um, it's it's very simple as you can see. Other option or other step you can follow is find the uh, email of the membership, and you're going to contact or you're going to send an email right here to send an email cancellation. You need to go to your profile in LA Fitness and click cancellation form. Okay, in the account information section, print this form and send it to this direction. It's really easy to do, and if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.